Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. I'm your host, Yash, and today we're exploring one of the oldest yet most dynamic industries in the world, real estate. For centuries, the way we've bought, sold, and invested in property hasn't really changed that much. But now, thanks to artificial intelligence, the landscape is transforming faster than ever. Imagine being able to get real-time, accurate property valuations without calling an appraiser. Imagine touring a home virtually, customizing it with your furniture before you even visit. Or imagine AI predicting the next booming neighborhood before anyone else even notices. That's not science fiction. It's happening right now. To walk us through this fascinating transformation, I'm joined by Rohan Malhotra, an AI and PropTech strategist who has been helping real estate companies globally adopt AI-driven solutions. Rohan, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Yash. I'm excited to dive into this because AI and real estate together are creating opportunities we could barely imagine a decade ago.
Let's start with one of the most important aspects, property valuation. Traditionally, this has been time-consuming, subjective, and often inconsistent. How is AI changing the way properties are valued?
That's a great question. Traditionally, valuation relied heavily on human judgment and limited comparable data. Two appraisers could give two very different numbers for the same property. AI takes away that subjectivity by analyzing huge amounts of structured and unstructured data, property sales records, neighborhood development, demographics, school ratings, transportation links, even satellite imagery. AI-driven automated valuation models, or AVMs, can update valuations in real time. If a new shopping complex opens nearby or a metro station gets built, AI systems can instantly adjust property prices to reflect that added value. It's dynamic, data-driven, and much faster than human methods.
That's impressive. So buyers, sellers, and investors can make smarter, faster decisions with much more transparency.
Exactly. It reduces disputes, accelerates negotiations, and gives confidence to all parties.
Now, let's shift to something that really took off during the pandemic, virtual tours. But even today, buyers are increasingly exploring properties online first. How has AI made virtual tours more powerful?
Virtual tours used to be simple 360-degree images. AI has transformed them into immersive, interactive 3D walkthroughs. Not only can you walk through a home from anywhere in the world, but AI personalizes the experience. For example, if you're a parent, the system highlights kid-friendly areas, the backyard, nearby parks, or schools. If you're an investor, it might emphasize rental yield potential and building quality. AI also enables virtual staging. Imagine an empty apartment digitally furnished to suit your taste, or remodeling a kitchen with just a few clicks. Buyers see potential, not just bare walls. That emotional connection speeds up decisions.
That's brilliant. It almost feels like the property adapts itself to the buyer's lifestyle before they even purchase it.
Exactly. That's the power of personalization through AI.
Now, one area that excites me is investment predictions. Real estate is a big financial decision and timing matters. How is AI helping investors spot opportunities before others?
AI is a game changer here. It processes thousands of data points, economic growth, infrastructure projects, migration patterns, crime rates, environmental data, and even social media sentiment to identify future high-growth areas. For example, if an underdeveloped district is showing rising job creation, urban migration, and transport upgrades, AI can flag it as a potential hotspot years before the market catches on. It's almost like predictive investing. Instead of guessing where property prices might rise, investors get science-backed forecasts. This reduces risk and maximizes ROI.
So, it's like having an AI-powered crystal ball, but based on data, not guesswork.
Exactly. And for institutional investors, this level of insight is invaluable.
Of course, no technology comes without challenges. What are some barriers to AI adoption in real estate?
There are a few. First, data availability and quality. AI needs reliable data, and in many regions, property data is fragmented or outdated. Second, costs implementing AI solutions can be expensive for smaller agencies. Third, cultural resistance.
Real estate is traditionally relationship-driven, and many professionals still prefer human judgment over algorithms. And then there's trust. People need to know AI valuations or predictions are fair and unbiased. Transparency in AI models is critical for adoption.
That makes sense. Without trust, even the smartest systems won't gain traction.
Exactly. Successful adoption is as much about building trust as it is about technology.
Who are the global leaders pushing AI in real estate today?
In the US, Zillow and Redfin are leading with their AI-powered valuation models and personalized recommendations. China is using AI in massive smart city projects, integrating real estate with urban planning. Europe is focusing on sustainable housing, with AI predicting energy efficiency and eco-friendly investments. Startups are also innovating. Some are combining AI with blockchain for secure transactions, while others are developing AI rental management systems. The ecosystem is expanding rapidly.
Let's look ahead. 10 years from now, what will real estate look like with AI at its core?
I believe property transactions will become almost fully digital. Imagine putting on a VR headset, exploring AI-curated properties tailored to your lifestyle, getting instant AI valuations, securing financing with AI-driven credit analysis, and signing smart contracts, all without leaving your home. Smart homes will also play a big role. Buyers will get real-time data on energy usage, sustainability, and maintenance costs directly from IoT sensors. And investment platforms will allow fractional ownership of properties flagged by AI as high potential. Overall, real estate will become more transparent, efficient, accessible, and personalized.
That sounds revolutionary. Not just a new way to buy or sell property, but a completely new real estate experience.
Exactly. AI isn't replacing humans. It's empowering them with intelligence and efficiency.
Rohan, this has been an eye-opening discussion. From smarter valuations to immersive tours and predictive investments, it's clear AI is reshaping real estate in ways that make the process better for everyone. Thank you for sharing your insights.
Thanks, Yash. It was a pleasure discussing this with you.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. If you're in the real estate space, whether as a buyer, seller, or investor, keep an eye on AI. It's not just the future, it's already here. I'm Yash, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating.